Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide, often developing silently over time due to factors like high cholesterol, hypertension, and chronic inflammation. While genetics and lifestyle choices play a role, diet is one of the most powerful tools in maintaining heart health. Among the many foods that contribute to cardiovascular well-being, fruits stand out for their rich nutritional content and heart protective properties. The role of fruits in heart health. Fruits are packed with essential nutrients such as fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help support cardiovascular function. Many of them contain compounds that actively reduce inflammation, lower cholesterol levels, and improve arterial health. Regularly incorporating the right fruits into your diet can significantly lower the risk of heart attacks and other cardiovascular conditions. 1. Berries, nature's antioxidant powerhouses. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are among the most beneficial fruits for heart health. They are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which contribute to heart disease. Studies have shown that people who consume berries regularly tend to have lower LDL cholesterol levels and improved arterial function. The high fiber content in these fruits also helps slow down cholesterol absorption and promotes healthy digestion, further protecting the heart. 2. Citrus fruits, a boost for blood vessels. Oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits are packed with vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in reducing inflammation and strengthening blood vessels. The natural flavonoids found in citrus fruits have been linked to lower blood pressure and improved circulation. Regular consumption of citrus fruits has been associated with a reduced risk of stroke and other heart-related complications. However, it is important to note that grapefruit can interact with certain medications, so individuals taking prescription drugs should consult their doctor before adding it to their diet. 3. Apples, the everyday heart protector. The saying "an apple a day keeps the doctor away" holds some truth when it comes to heart health. Apples are a great source of soluble fiber, which helps lower bad cholesterol levels by preventing its absorption in the bloodstream. They also contain polyphenols, plant compounds known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Studies have found that people who eat apples regularly tend to have a lower risk of heart disease, partly due to their ability to improve blood vessel function and regulate blood pressure. 4. Pomegranates, the superfruit for arteries. Pomegranates have long been revered for their medicinal properties, particularly in promoting heart health. They are rich in polyphenols and punicolagens, which have been shown to improve blood flow and reduce arterial plaque buildup. Regular consumption of pomegranate juice has been linked to lower blood pressure and reduced oxidative stress in the arteries. Some research even suggests that pomegranates may help reverse some of the damage caused by atherosclerosis, a condition where arteries become narrowed due to plaque accumulation. 5. Bananas, a natural source of potassium. Bananas are well known for their high potassium content, an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and balance sodium levels in the body. Potassium plays a vital role in maintaining heart rhythm and preventing hypertension, a major risk factor for heart attacks. In addition to potassium, bananas also provide fiber and antioxidants that contribute to overall heart health. 6. Avocados, the heart's healthy fat. Although technically a fruit, avocados deserve a special mention for their unique nutritional profile. They are loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that help lower bad cholesterol while raising good cholesterol levels. Avocados also contain potassium, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which contribute to cardiovascular well-being. Studies have shown that people who consume avocados regularly have a lower risk of heart disease and better lipid profiles compared to those who do not. 7. Grapes, a natural blood pressure regulator. Grapes contain resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant known for its heart protective benefits. Resveratrol has been shown to reduce inflammation, improve blood circulation, and prevent blood clots. Grapes also contain flavonoids and polyphenols that help regulate blood pressure and protect blood vessels from damage. Regular consumption of grapes, whether fresh or in the form of natural grape juice, can support heart health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Incorporating a variety of heart-healthy fruits into your daily diet can significantly reduce the risk of heart attacks and improve overall cardiovascular health. Each of these fruits offers unique benefits, from lowering cholesterol and blood pressure to reducing inflammation and improving arterial function. Alongside a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle, these fruits can serve as natural allies in maintaining a strong and healthy heart.